What is up, comic creators? I'm going to show you what to do if you have some regular video footage that you want to make look like it was filmed on a cell phone. It's a simple crop method, so you want to just go ahead and select the footage that you're wanting to crop that way. And in the left hand side, this little icon here is the crop icon that opens up your crop menu. And there's actually presets in there, so you don't have to mess around with it too much. If you click down here in this little area, click the arrow, it will open up all these different presets that you can click through. So you've got all these different sizes you can do, different things you can set to, but it's actually this one here that actually does a pretty decent crop size for something that like a cell phone footage right here. And so now from this point on, if you grab in the center of the box and move it around the screen, you can actually set it to where that's what's going to pop up in your footage. So if there's something specific you're trying to capture after you crop, once you click the blue button here, that's what you'll see on your screen, where I actually place the crop at, and that's what's going to be in the center. So it's not going to be off center or anything like that, and that's the way your crop footage will look for that cell phone shot. But that's how you crop your footage to look like it was filmed on a cell phone. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. But yeah, just a quick video on cropping. I'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, comet creators. End transmission.